treatment of interest on drawings. There are two cases in this. In case number 1, interest on drawing is normally calculated on which basis? On time basis, right? Now on time basis we will see that when drawings are made by the partners frequently, then we have to apply which rule? We have to apply this product rule. Now see one example I have already given you. The example is like A and B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Now during the year 2020, Mr. A has withdrawn the following amounts, and the amounts are given over here. Clear? Now when we will come here, the next one is the rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is given 12% per annum, and you have to calculate interest on drawing of Mr. X. Now how to calculate? You have to prepare how many columns? 4 columns. You will prepare one column for month amount, then another for number of months, and then the product. Now in month column, like see in the question what is given, look at here. In the question it is given January. In the month of January, 10,000 has been withdrawn by Mr. A. So in the January, in the amount column, we are writing 10,000. And from January, since in the month of January it has been drawn, we will calculate till December. How many months are there? Skip January because the amount has been withdrawn in the month of January. So from February till December, how many months are there? 11 months are there. That will be multiplied with this. You will get 1,10,000. Right? In the same manner, when you will come to here in the question, that is on April, how much withdrawn? It has been 8,000. So again, when you are coming here in the month of April, 8,000 has been drawn. Now skip April. From May till December, how many months? 8 months. You will multiply these two and write it in the amount column, means product column, right? In the same manner you will do for July, September, November and December. You will multiply these, you will get the product total. These are the total of product, right? This is our total of product. Now you will apply the formula. What is the formula? Product, total of product amount multiplied by rate of interest into 1/12. So this is the amount, total amount of product, that will be multiplied by, why we are taking rate of interest as 12/100? Because it is given in the question that rate of interest is 12% per annum. So we are taking this 12/100 into 1/12. Clear? So when you will solve, you will get 2,210. This is case 1, one way of solving the question. Okay children, I think case 1 is clear to you all. Go through the video, that will be clear. Repeatedly you please go through the video. Okay, now we are coming to case 2. See here it is case 2. Now in case 2, whenever drawings will be withdrawn or made by the partners evenly, then which rules are applicable? There are 4. Many rules are there, but in your board you will follow only these 4 rules. Okay. So here see the rule number 1, what is given? When drawings are made by the partners evenly at the beginning of each month, this is important, beginning of each month, then interest on drawing shall be calculated for the average period of how many months? 6.5 months. Means 6 and 1/2 months, 6.5 months. Okay, your formula will be interest on drawings is equal to total amount multiplied by rate of interest, which will be given in the question, multiplied by this rule which is applicable, that is 6.5 multiplied by 12. Am I clear? This is the first rule. Now we are moving to the second one. Second one is given when the drawings are made by the partners evenly in the middle of each month. Which month? Means in the middle, beech May, in the middle of each month, then interest on drawing shall be charged or calculated on an average period of 6 months. How many months? 6 months. So see, again the formula will be amount multiplied by rate of interest. This rate of interest will be given in the question, multiplied by, this is the rule, 6 months means 6 by 12. Am I clear? This is second rule. Now we are moving to the third one. Here you can see the third one is also given. When drawings are made by the partners evenly at the end of each month, at the end of each month, then interest on drawings shall be calculated for the average period of 5.5 months. 5.5 months means 5.5 months for doing calculations, right? Your formula will be total amount multiplied by rate of interest. Again, this rate of interest will be given in the question, multiplied by 5.5 by 12. Okay, this is rule number 3. Now, the most important is here in the maximum question you will see that this rule is applicable. Why? Because dates are not mentioned. Whenever dates will not be given, at that time this rule, rule number 4, will be applicable. When drawings are made by the partners during the year, remember during the year, but dates of the drawings are not given. What is not given? Dates. Dates are not mentioned in the question. Then interest on drawings shall be calculated for the average period of 6 months. Okay, so let us recap once again, just a short brief look at here. Remember,